And start transcription. Okay, hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about the final task and sprint 2 of this task, or about the current week. But let me start from the ask for all of you. I would ask you to add in the description the small information about the technology that you have chosen for your final project. Uh, it's helped me to find the mentor who can help you to implement the final task, because some of our mentors are Angular guy, others React, and so on. So I guess that 1 week it enough. I mean, the week that passed, it was enough to verify what stack of technologies are you going to use. And now I need this information, and it would be more useful if this information will be added in the description. So base this information, I will find the mentor and inform you who will be the person who will help you within the last task. I hope you can do it, uh, and related to this topic, it's all. And related to the current week, I hope that previously you have learned the basic information about Scrum and Kanban, but I really believe that you apply this knowledge uh, for your final task. I hope that you organized daily stand up, that you share information between a team, what you do now, do you have any blockers, and what are you going to do today or next day. Uh, and I guess it will help you to be on the same page with an all team while you're implementing the final task. And this week, I hope that you will read very interesting information related how browsers works. This article was previously, but it's definitely important to know it and clear understand how browsers create the DOM, how browsers add CSS classes, and how to manipulate it, and so on, especially in order to performance. And on the other hand, it's very important information for interview, because you can answer a lot of questions related to what is display, what property has display, and and so on and so on. But the real understanding how browsers works help you to answer questions much more better than other guys, because the understanding is the most important thing. And it's all related to educational part. And let's discuss the task for the next 2 weeks. Pay attention that sprint 2 is contained of 2 weeks, and Andre will share you detailed information related to sprint 2 task. But if you have questions to me, please feel free to ask. Okay, Andre, the stage is yours.
Hi. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, good. As Hannah mentioned before, today you will start a second 2 weeks long sprint, and the main objective of this sprint is creation, login, registration, and main pages. Yeah. One important thing about it, how in this section you can see description how you have to work with branches. So how you have to create new branch, how to approve it, how to merge your pull request, and so on. This task will be evaluated into this task will be evaluated both by cross-check and both by mentors check. So in every requirements, you can see a link to the like
User story in terms of
yes,
Scrum.
yes. And yeah, and maybe that's all from my side. Yeah. In this sprint, it like short to tell, but it will be hard to implement this task. So that's all.
Guys, any questions? One, two, three. Thank you. One moment. Someone write something in the chat. And where is the chat? Here's. So each sprint will last for 2 weeks. Is it correct? Partially correct, because the sprint 1 was 1 week duration, but sprint 2, 3, and 4 will be 2 weeks duration. As we mentioned before, in a real project, the sprint 1, most often it's called sprint 0. It's sprint for preparing all necessary. Oh my gosh, seems something wrong with my dogs. Yeah, it's a sprint that aim to help to prepare to launch all necessary tools. And within the sprint 2, you will be able to start implementation. It's, I guess, and I hope that you created the repository. You got all necessary accesses to this repository. You have all tools enabled in this repository and so on. And you have you had communication between a team and you decided what technology are you going to implement this task, what tool you will use in order to linter. You had agreement what rules should be on and what rules should be off in the general setup of linter and so on. So the sprint one is 1 week duration, others will be for 2 weeks. But pay attention, after each sprint, at the end of sprint, you will share your result task for code review for mentor, mentor review, and others way for the cross check. And each student of a group should take part in the cross check. And that's all. I hope I answered. One more question. Does one mentor evaluate a group project or each mentor should evaluate it individually? No, it will be one mentor per group. That's why I asked you at the very beginning to add information about technologies that you choose for your task, because this information really important to know what mentor will help you with the final task, because some mentors are specialized in the Angular, others in the React, someone in the Vue, and so on. That's why we skipped the mentor check at the first week, because I keep this time for you to choose technology, and based on this information I will find the mentor for your group, one mentor per your group. But if your current mentor is okay to help you with some question, feel free to ask. Thank you. Thank you too. Another questions? 1, 2, 3. Seems no. Thank you for attending, and I wish you a good week. Thank you, and bye-bye.
See you next time.